Here's how to remove the Powered by Shopify link at the bottom of your page. So we can actually change this or we can remove it. And I'm also going to show you how to create an AI sales agent for your website that will increase the conversion rates and sell more of your products, answer your customers' questions, and deal with customer support for you. So all of this is incredibly easy to do. We need to head to our website. We're going to come to the themes section under the online store. So make sure you're logged into your Shopify store. We're going to come to the three dots here, and we're going to click on the Edit Default Theme Content. It's going to take us to this filter items, and we're just going to search for Powered. And you can see here we've got the Checkout General, the links, and also a password page. So for now, what we're going to do is we're just going to change what's written in there. We're going to put in our brand information, and we're going to save that. So when we come to our web page, if we refresh the website, now at the bottom of the site, we will see it now says Powered by Monhabit, or the name of the brand that you've got. The only problem is when we click this link, it's going to take us to Shopify. So we actually are going to completely remove this. We don't want this from our website. So to do this, you need an understanding of the theme.liquid, or just to follow these rules very, very closely. Come back to this themes section here. We're going to come along to this three dots, but this time we're going to click on Edit Code. Once we've done that, we want to search for the files up here and look for the theme.liquid file. Once we've found the theme.liquid file, make sure that you do not change or delete any of this code. All we are going to look for here is if we search for Powered. So click in this section here, do Control F if you're on Windows or Command F if you're on Mac, and we're going to search for copyright _content, or just even copyright, and you can see there's nothing in here that we can change. So we're then going to head to the footer.liquid, which you can find by searching in the search bar for footer.liquid, and you can see I've done Command F copyright content, and you can see that we found these sections here. This section here, the policy URL and the Powered by link, these are the things that we need to be focusing on for us to remove. So if we take this code here and we remove it, so I'm just going to do Control X now so we can actually just put it back in if we need to. When we come back to our website and we refresh the page, when we come down to the bottom, you can see we no longer have the Powered by Shopify or the Powered by link at the bottom. You can see here, if we click the Monhabit button, it's going to take us to the home page. So now we've successfully removed that from our website. Now I want to show you how you can actually increase the sales that you're getting on your website by creating an AI agent that's able to respond to customer questions and automate your customer service. So for example, if I chat with this chatbot here and I ask it, what's the refund policy? This AI is able to read my entire website. It's able to find the refund policy links, the contact information, and respond to the customer. So it's come back and it said the refund policy allows for a 30-day return. It's given me the info@monhabit.com, and it's given me the returns policy page as well. And then as a business, we can also collect the contact information from this person as well. If I ask it, for example, how can I track my order, the AI is going to go ahead and find the tracking link page for me. It's going to give me a hyperlink where I can go ahead and visit the order tracking, which will take me to that page. You can see here we can now track the order. It's also going to give us the email address for the contact information and also the phone number if they need extra help. And in this case, it's asked if the customer wants to submit a support ticket, which the chatbot will be able to categorize those support tickets, and then as a business, it will then automatically respond to those support tickets for us, automating customer service. So this is what the software looks like that we're going to be using. You can see here we've got a chatbot that's already been built, and this software is called chatiq.ai, and the link is down below in the description where you can get started. You've got a 7-day free trial, so go ahead, sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account, it's going to take you to this page here. We're going to build a chatbot based on our website's data, so it can understand everything about our website. And you can see here, if I filter this data by Monhabit, which is my brand, you can see these are all the URLs from my website. It's got all of the product pages on it, and it's also got access to the shipping policy and the refund policy as well, which I've uploaded as text files. So all you need to do is click on Upload Data, come to the URL section and paste in your website's URL, and then scrape your entire website, and then click on Scrape URLs. You'll then see that the URL scraper will populate your data feed with a whole load of URLs, and we use all of this data to build a custom AI chatbot. Once we've done this, we're going to select all of this data, click on Create Chatbot. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to refresh the page, and we're going to just make sure we're using all the data from MonHappy. So there's 17 bits of data that we want to use, so we're going to select all of that. Then we're going to create an AI chatbot. So just give it a name, give it a test introduction message. If you want to, you can change the custom colors of the AI chatbot and the colors that it's responding in. So I'm going to change the text color. And then you can see here under files, this is all the information that the chatbot is using. We're then going to build this chatbot, and you can see it's now processing this new build. When we come back to the data feed, you can see it's populating this chatbot with all of the data. When we come back to the chatbot section, you will have a chatbot that's been built that you can now add to your website. And this chatbot is able to read all of that information from our website. So let's just do an example here. We can actually customize the questions that it's got. We can customize the introduction message, and we can change the colors here if we want to. So we're just going to put in what's the refund policy. And when we first ask this message, okay, we're going to want to change the color. Oh, no, okay, it's fine. So when we first ask this message, the chatbot is going to take about 15 seconds to automatically generate a reply with the AI, and then it's going to build its own custom memory. So once we've done all of this, and once we've trained our chatbot, we can embed it into our website, just like this in this example that I showed you, so it can answer people's questions on any site, any page on our website. So you can see it's now come back with a response. If we're happy with this response, we can move on and ask it the next question. If we're not happy with the response, we can adjust it, we can change it. What we can do here is we can just create an indent, and let's just change the email address. Let's say the email address is help@monhappy.com. We can then update the memory of this chatbot. And there we have it. Now that chatbot's been trained. All we need to do now is go ahead and finish customizing the chatbot by putting in some example questions. We can put one here saying track my order, for example. If we save these settings, there's now the option for people to ask this question. We can also put this one in here, and we can save that. Awesome. And if we want to, we can actually customize and add our own logos. But for now, what we're going to do is just add this to the website. So we're going to come to the launch section here while we're just populating this last question. We're going to take this link here. Now, it's very important that if you want to customize the logos anywhere on this chatbot, so that would be this logo here, or it would be the widget logo, which is this one down here, you do so before you embed it onto your website. So we're going to copy this embed code. We're going to come back to our website. So we're going to come back to Shopify, make sure we're logged in, come back to the online store in the theme section, come along to this 3 dots and then click on the edit code. And then we're going to go back to the theme.liquid file. And if you're looking for that again, you can just search for it in the search bar, theme.liquid. And then what we're going to do is beneath the head tracking code on the website, we're going to paste in that code that we just copied. We're then going to save that on our website. And now when we come back to our website and we refresh the page, you'll see here that we've now got a chatbot embedded into our website, which can answer questions that our customers have asked. So for example, if I ask it about tracking my order, you'll now see that it's going to do exactly what it did within the dashboard. It's going to come back with the exact response that we saw here. It's no longer going to show these 2 buttons because this is just for within the dashboard. It's going to answer the customer's question. It's going to gather the email address. So if we put in test@hotmail.com and we send that through to the chatbot, now as a business, we can come down to the leads section, and you can see if we go to this specific chatbot that we've just gathered a new lead that we can then download and then use in our email marketing. You can see if I ask it what's the refund policy, it's going to use the response that we populated last time, and it's going to make sure that it's using the updated response, and then this is obviously added to our website. So as a business, we can now see what questions people are asking our chatbot. We can increase the conversion rates, we can automate customer service. If we want to, we can actually start to gather support tickets from our customers as well. And once we do that within the dashboard, we can then see our support tickets here. If we filter by our chatbot, obviously we haven't got any support tickets for the chatbot that we've just built, but if we come to a support ticket example, we can then actually reply to the support tickets. We can then generate a response to the support ticket using AI. We can see the conversation that customers had with the chatbot, and the AI is going to use the context of this conversation and all of the data that we trained the chatbot on to be able to deal with this customer's concerns and deal with the support ticket. And then we can actually send this email using a SendGrid integration. And if you want to SendGrid set up your integration, just head to the settings section, head to integrations, and then follow the tutorial here to integrate with SendGrid. So there we go. That is a deep dive into how to remove the Powered by Shopify section and how to add an AI chatbot to your website that can increase conversion rates and automate your customer service using chatiq.ai. The link is down below in the description, and if you get started today, you get 7 days to try it for free. Just click on this button here, create your account, put in your card details. It's not going to charge you. Then you can come to the dashboard and follow the instructions that I just gave you to build your first AI chatbot.